This is the smart camera. Instant alert, motion detector, night vision, two-way audio, and cloud storage. Let's see how big it is. Okay, down here is where you plug it in. Okay, the cord isn't very long. Over here is where your SD card goes in for storage. Under here is where you can either clamp it or use the screws that it came with to get ahead and wall mount it. Okay, this is what's in the box. Is the camera, the charging cord, the plug, and screws to get ahead, and it has a little heart clamp at the bottom to clamp somewhere. It's very small. It's easy to set up. Just go to your app store, enter NGTeco Home, and download the app. Then plug it in next to your monitor of your Wi-Fi, and then this is the film. I'm showing you a film. Then you can record it, screen it. This is the night vision. The night vision is in black and white. Throw your likes up and subscribe.